it's been a while. And also, Happy New Year's! But, okay guys, I actually forgot when we got the knife in the burger. I legit forgot that. Oh, we're gonna go in these two. Collect. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, bring me back. I'm gonna go up to the food store. Oh, I forgot about these two. Life is great. Are you okay? Yeah. Could it be better? You could definitely be doing better. Nah, I feel great. You need to go to the hospital. No hospitals. I've heard they're expensive around here. And I don't have insurance. What's re-expensive? I don't know. Wow. How can you not have insurance? Why on earth would a strawberry have insurance? Are you out of your mind? I'm definitely not the crazy one. Go see a doctor. I don't need to. Time is the best medicine. Time heals our wounds. Just you wait. There's another one. Time to go back to Wow, you really let yourself go. Whatever. Are you still grumpy over our fight? Nah. Cheer up. It wasn't even that bad. For you. I'm just doing this weird voice for these brown guys. Yeah, I know. Meh. Cheer up. Sad birds are no fun to be around. Thanks for the advice. Why don't you go to the gym? You'll feel better. Okay, fine. I feel like something bad is going to happen. I'll talk to Saul. I'm just kind of friendly. But you look so friendly. What were you in prison for? Assault? Move along. Nothing to see here. Don't tell me what to do. What's going on in here? Where are you hiding? I'm not hiding anything. I'm just a regular jar of mayo. Perfectly normal jar of mayo with no secret. I don't believe that for a second. I bet you're hiding something in your jar. Nope, just mayo. See for yourself. Tastes like normal mayo. Of course. I'm gonna have a little more. Whoa, I hit something solid. Oh no. What is that pink thing? I don't know what you're talking about. I can see it right there. No, you can't. Hello again. You're live? Yeah. As live as any mobile game character can be. But here's actually the thing. I'm actually playing on mobile. I'm actually playing on mobile. Yes. I will go if I'm just up here. Here we go. Yeah, we're going to fish again. The banana has long ones, so we're going to do a ranch. My girlfriend broke up with me. Why? She didn't like how I was dressing. I hate this game so much. I need something to talk to. What's wrong? I don't like my job. It's tearing me apart. What's it? I'm sure it can't be that bad. It's pretty good. I'm spending my life being something I'm not. That's bananas. What would you rather be doing? I don't know. I'm bad at introposing. It's healthy to get to know your inner self. Let me help you. Stay still. Thanks for letting me out. No problem. I was stuck in there for 20 years. The outer banana was holding me captive. Wait, you're not the same banana? Of course not. That's bananas. That was so funny. I just... Shovel. Good. Devil, what went on? It's still going on. Then just listen to the music. No. Tap to fly. We see gems. Okay, I'm gonna level this up. Let's see what new food we get. Is that fortune cookies? That's a fortune cookie! It all makes sense now. What? I figured out the meaning of life. Well, the meaning of my life, anyways. The reason I'm here is that even if this game fails and makes no money, well, technically it is actually making money. Because people are downloading. Okay, it actually didn't cost money. It's free, too, guys. It's free, so you can download it too. The devs can still say that they made a fortune. Ah! Like, the only thing about this game is just jokes. Yes! I get down into the emeralds. Emerald from Minecraft. Emerald. Oh my god, that was so close to the level up reward. And I just noticed I get coins. Okay, let's see what new person we get. No way! Is that pumpkin pie? It's pumpkin pie! Let's go! Jeez! Sheesh. Let's go! Rah! Wait, there's still more down here? I can't believe the match. But if we do go... Ooh. The farm! We have been here so long. I gotta fish that. Okay. Okay, let's keep on doing. Wood. Wait, how is wood more valuable than emerald? Wait, I forgot. This is Latchy. So we got burger, dragon fruit, fry. Or can we do fries, I think? Cranberry, hot dog, garlic, potato, lemon tart, cheese, passion fruit, bread.